So guys, I think I'm gonna do this corner here. Looks like a barber shop. We'll see. Maybe this building. It looks very retro, very chic, very cool. Like a boutique hotel, whatever that is. So guys, we are in Little India on a street called Upper Weld Road. A lot of pretty things to sketch and paint. I think it was also here when I last flew my oh! I know those people! The building looks really cool. I think I'm gonna make a painting of it. Look at that. 3 stories. It looks like a boutique hotel, right? And I'm really thankful for this table that I have right here. Apparently the owners here or the tenants here moved away, so I'm having all this space to paint. Otherwise it's just along the street. Here we go, guys. Wait a minute. Isn't that Kenny? This is the new location of books, actually. So they are operating from in there. It's not a physical store where you can step in and buy stuff. You order your books online using this URL. Huh. Well, since I can't get in there, I have an idea. I'm gonna slide this thing in there and hopefully you guys get a glimpse of what's in the store. The wind's pretty strong right now. I've also got to wait for traffic to clear. Okay, I'm gonna wait for those vehicles over there to pass. But I see someone opening the door, so hopefully now is the right time. Hi guys, we're inside the brand new Books Actually online headquarters. Let's take a quick peek at the setup. This is the first look at the ground floor. You can see all the books in boxes and packaging. The industrial shelves that can go all the way up to the ceiling. I think it's about 3 meters high. Has not arrived yet, so right now it's just gonna be like that for now. And that's the opening, the front with the arc in front. So for those of us who are in the retail business, storage is always an issue, especially here in Singapore. These track lights are really awesome because I don't know, I just feel very cozy in here. Yeah, and it seems like a little India thing because I was at Komala's earlier on and the track lights are similar. So maybe it's the same supplier. Anyhow, very cozy. That's why I always joke with Kenny that you can actually open a side hotel, a budget inn. Okay, so there's a little toilet here. Everything is new and clean and awesome. They just moved in less than a week ago. Going up to the second floor. This is the back area of the second floor. Lots and lots and lots of storage space is needed, especially if you're selling books, right? This is a little pantry. Washing machine. Cool. Another toilet here. This is a fantastic place. And we're finally here on the third level. Let's go take a peek what's outside. Zoom back in. A lot of the items you can see here are from IKEA. So if you ever need reviews about stuff from IKEA, you know who to call. Definitely not me. And this is a very neat space. I think when Kenny was showing me the initial video of this place, I was like, whoa, because this reminds me of 40 Hands at Yong Siak Street. They have a little area, step down area where you can hold talks, workshop sessions, etc. So this is really neat. And another pantry. Woohoo! So guys, I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek tour of this space. They are still sorting out things, but the business is fully operational. Remember, if you need anything singlet, do check out the URL down below. And if you buy 4 books, remember, delivery is free in Singapore. So thank you so much to Kenny and team for letting me step into the new space before they've even sorted out things. Yeah, continue to support your local artists and buy local. This is Alvin from 44 Upper Weld Road. Until the next episode, guys, ciao ciao.